We divide 882 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 8 and it is 18. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 4. So now this 4 is less than 7. So we put down this 2 and it is 42. 7 times 6 is 42. On subtracting, we get 0. So 882 divided by 7 is 126. So this much for today and thanks for watching.